Good morning, everyone. It's May 28th of 2024, and we are getting ready to wind down this month for May. Really don't expect a whole lot to happen this week, but you never know with the market because we have a few days left. Did my checks this morning, really didn't see a whole lot. And as you can see right here, the four ETFs that we follow, we see that the UDOW is still kind of moving down. Let's just go over these really quick. You can see TNA right here is still kind of stuck in the chop and had an inside day last week, Friday. SPXL, same thing, inside day, and we are set up for a 2-2 continuation to the week or to a 2-2 reversal down. TQQQ inside day, and they are trying to gap this up. Nvidia is just insane right now as far as the number of buyers that are showing up in order to drive this one higher. We'll go over that later. And then, of course, you see UDOW here. It is the weakest out of the four ETFs that we follow. It did the 2-2 reversal here for the week, and it almost got down here, just ran out a week, and with the holiday coming up, that didn't shock me. So what are we looking at here as far as the end of the month? And we had a really good review in the Discord server yesterday, and we were talking about what we want to do as far as positioning ourselves for June. And basically, what I end up doing is looking at how things are setting up for next month. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you look at my 5 time frames here, I have the year, the quarter, the month, the week, and the daily here. Let me kind of minimize that. There, year, quarter, month, week, and daily. And you can see right here, we really haven't done a lot for the month. We tried to go higher and they pulled it back. So the question is, are they going to set this up next month for the possible 2-2 reversal back down to here? Or are they going to just continue to go 2-2 up? Or are we going to go 2-2-1? I mean, we have a lot of different scenarios that could play out right there. But let's just take a look at the cues here. And you can see that this is getting bought. For the year, we still have buyers driving this price up. And right now, the objective is to get back up here to this 85.95 area. And I know some people are looking at this and saying, oh, we'll never get there by the end of the year. We have 6 months to get up there, guys. So they can do whatever they want in this area, but just keep in mind that tech is getting bought right now until proven otherwise. And you see that on the quarter. You see it here on the month when we did the 2-2 reversal back up and we went beyond target here. And then on the week, we set up this 2-1 and we've just kept going for the last 4 weeks. 2-2-2-2. And you can see that price action play out right here, all month, just getting bought. And you can see that they are still driving this thing higher to 65.84. So it'll be interesting to see if we do something like this, where we hit this and tip over, because that would be roughly right around that area right there. So do we broaden here and then fail and come back down? Don't know. We just got to play it as we see it. So just be aware that as we have this play out in front of us, that we are at exhaustion risk right through here. So anything can happen. Let's go over the setups here really quick. Not a lot going on. Like I said, AAOI, got into this one last week on the 2-2 reversal, and now I'm just to the point now where I just want to see if this can continue to run and take out some of these targets here to the left on the week. Baker, same thing, like how it held this level of support through here, and we're trying to move up. Just doing a lot of nothing though. This is back and forth. That's that chop we're talking about. Coin, you can see buyers stepped in and they're driving this right back up. Coin looks good on all time frames. I really like it. DD, this was a beautiful TTO. Had the chance to go short on this for a couple days, and then man, did they come back in here and buy us up. And you can see that price action reflected on the bigger time frames where they want to take DD up. Same with eBay. gorgeous chart. We had that consolidation here, and we finally got through that 52.92 area. Emerson, same thing, just kind of chopping sideways. GE, looking for this 3 bar right here. Do we go up? Do we go down? Robinhood, love how we set up this reversal right here. And so now buyers need to step back up and take it through this 2055 and possibly through this 2121 area as well. HPE kind of just waiting here on earnings. Don't expect a lot on this one. Intel, this is one of these stocks that, you know, it's just consolidating right here. It's kind of holding its own right now. I am long Intel. I'd love to see this thing come back up and fill the gap. Not sure if it will. Keurig Dr. Pepper, we've got the 2-3 right here. So are we going to go up? We're going to go down. Nvidia, we talked about this one earlier. Earnings just were insane for this thing, and you can just see how we have gone 2 up for the year here, 2 up for the quarter, 2 up for the month, and 2 up for the week, and now we are gapping up right to that $1,100. That's right, $1,100 area right through here. And so that's a psychological level, and it'll be interesting to see how far they drive this up. But just got to let it play out. ON is one we talked about in the chat over the weekend. This thing is gorgeous on all time frames, and it looks like it has the potential to come up to here if we can get past this area and hold it. Pfizer continues to just consolidate here after this beautiful move up right through here. But just keep in mind, we also have a 2-2 rep set up for the downside here for the week. Not sure what it'll do. Pins started to break down here just a little bit. It can go either way. I do like how it has the 3 here in the quarter, and we're 2 up for the year. But just keep in mind, they always pull it back before they pull it up. PLTR, inside, so watch that one. Roblox, same thing, 311 on the week. Rocket has this 2-2 reversal set up, so if this thing breaks lower, I'll go out and buy some puts on this. Starbucks continues to bounce after earnings, and we had several in the group get into this after it went 2-2 rev right here, and they're still in this name and hoping that it can get up to here. Silver, what can I say about silver? It's in demand and it's gapping up again by almost $1.20. Objective is to take out 29.56. I wouldn't chase it here, but that's strictly up to you. SMTC, you can see that we are just consolidating here through the weekly. And if this thing takes out 41.62, I'll go long. TMUS, same thing. For the month, we went 312 up. So the question is, are they going to take it right back up here to target, which would be 168.64? So you could put that in right here. And so that would be your target right there. Looks good. Gotta get past this area first though. Okay, so I'll set an alert for that. Tesla, it seems like every time it finds buyers, it finds sellers. And it's just going sideways right here. Not a lot going in there. United Airlines, hopefully airline stocks will get bought here, but just keep in mind we went 2-2 rev last week, and we did hit target on this. So they need to step in here if they're going to take airlines up. You can see for the year it's absolutely doing nothing, and for the quarter we are still 2-2. VSTS, this is a new one where I am looking to play this either long or short because it went 2-1 for the week. XLE had a nice 3 bar for the week. XLF has this 2-2 reversal still set up. If it gets below this candle right here of 41.20 or breaks below 41.44, this is your inside bar. I will take some more to the downside. I do have a couple of option contracts in this one. It could go to the upside, and if it does, I'll get out. XOP, inside bar again, and you can see right here that it's just kind of hanging out because we've got this 3 bar for the week. Other than that, on the short side, not a lot set up. APA, the majority of this stuff has already made its move. And because of that, you just have to be really patient. HAL has this 3 bar here, so it could go either way. Kraft has an inside bar here for the week. And other than that, NOV, same thing. 3 bar, PGNY, 3 bar. Uh, with PGNY, it's got to get outside of this big monster bar here. This 3 bar eventually. And then shop put in a nice 3 as well. And you can see right here I have my message, my note, wait for the TTO, and right here it was, right there. Your TTO right there, 6010. And that was when you should have gone short because you had this beautiful, beautiful shooter right there. Under Armour, still holding the 660 area. Want to see if we can get above the 698 and run back up. And then X has this 2-1 set up, and that is it. I doubt I'm going to do a whole lot this week just because, like I said, we're at the end of the month. And on Sunday, we will have a watch list party within the Discord server. So if you'd like to join, come and join us at the Discord server and ask questions. New visitors, new people are always welcomed. And, we're just having a good time. I love getting together and just talking stocks with people and strategies and process. And it's just a good group to hang out with. So if you're new to the strat and you would like to learn more, please join the Discord server or follow me on Twitter, McStratter123. And until then, thank you and God bless.